What if I told you that in today's world, you can earn a full-time income without ever stepping into an office? Freelancing isn't just a side hustle anymore, it's a path to financial freedom and a flexible lifestyle. In this video, you'll discover exactly how to make money as a freelancer, step by step. Whether you're just starting or want to level up, these strategies will show you how to turn your skills into consistent income. Freelancing sounds glamorous, right? But here's the reality. Many aspiring freelancers struggle to find clients, set competitive rates, or even figure out where to start. You might feel overwhelmed, wondering if your skills are even marketable. Trust me, you're not alone. For example, a friend of mine spent 6 months trying to break into freelancing with zero results until they learned how to position themselves correctly. This video will help you avoid these common pitfalls and start strong. If you're ready to overcome these challenges, stick with me. 1. Why freelancing is the future of work. Freelancing isn't just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how work is done. Did you know that 36% of the U.S. workforce is freelancing, contributing over $1.4 trillion to the economy annually? This is your opportunity to tap into a growing market. Freelancing offers unparalleled freedom. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that align with your passions. For example, graphic designers can now work with clients globally without ever leaving their homes. Start by researching industries that rely heavily on freelancers, such as tech, writing, and digital marketing. The future is freelance, and you don't want to miss it. 2. Skills and demand. What clients are paying for. Clients today are looking for specialized skills, not generalists. Some of the most in-demand areas include copywriting, web development, digital marketing, and virtual assistants. But don't worry if you're starting with a basic skill set. Freelancing is all about growth. For instance, if you know social media management, you could refine that skill to specialize in Instagram marketing for e-commerce brands. Practical tip: spend an hour on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to see what services are in demand. This research can help you understand where your skills fit into the market. Remember, the more niche your expertise, the higher the rates you can charge. 3. How to identify your freelance niche. Finding your niche is crucial to standing out in a crowded market. Start by asking yourself, what am I good at, and what do I enjoy doing? Combine these answers with market demand. For example, if you're a photographer, consider niching down to wedding photography or product photography for e-commerce. Specialization signals expertise, which attracts higher-paying clients. To get started, write down your top 3 skills and research how freelancers in those areas are positioning themselves. The clearer your niche, the easier it is for clients to find you. 4. Building your personal brand. Your personal brand is your biggest asset as a freelancer. Think of it as your online resume and portfolio rolled into one. A strong brand builds trust and makes you memorable. Start by creating a polished LinkedIn profile that highlights your expertise and showcases client testimonials. For example, if you're a writer, include links to your best articles. A professional website can also help. Even a simple landing page that outlines your services can make a big impact. Remember, consistency is key. Use the same colors, fonts, and tone across all platforms. This makes your brand look professional and cohesive. 5. The best platforms to find freelance work. The first step to landing clients is knowing where to find them. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. But each platform has its strengths. Upwork is great for building long-term client relationships, while Fiverr excels for quick, one-off projects. For example, a friend of mine landed her first 5 clients on Upwork by creating a detailed profile and applying for projects daily. The key to success on these platforms is your profile. Write a strong headline, use a professional photo, and craft a pitch that focuses on the client's needs, not just your skills. 6. How to price your services and negotiate. Pricing is one of the biggest challenges for freelancers. Charge too little, and you'll feel undervalued. Charge too much, and you might scare off potential clients. The sweet spot lies in research. Look at what others in your niche are charging and position yourself competitively. For example, if entry-level graphic designers charge $30 per hour, you can start there and increase rates as you gain experience. Always justify your rates by highlighting your skills, testimonials, and results. Remember, Confident negotiation is key. Clients respect freelancers who know their worth. 7. Time management for freelancers, avoiding burnout. Freelancers often juggle multiple projects, leading to burnout if they're not careful. To avoid this, set clear boundaries and prioritize tasks. Use tools like Trello for project management or Google Calendar to block time for focused work. For example, one freelancer I know schedules 2 hours every morning for deep work, followed by short breaks to recharge. Staying organized not only helps you meet deadlines, but also ensures you're delivering quality work which clients will notice and appreciate. 8. Upskilling to stay competitive. The freelance market evolves quickly, and staying relevant requires continuous learning. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer affordable courses in high-demand skills. For example, a digital marketer who learns data analytics can significantly increase their income by offering advanced services. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning something new. This small habit can lead to significant career growth over time. Clients are always willing to pay more for freelancers who bring up-to-date knowledge and skills to the table. 9. Avoiding common freelance mistakes. New freelancers often fall into traps like underpricing, failing to set boundaries, or not using contracts. Always have a written agreement that outlines the project scope, deadlines, and payment terms. This protects both you and the client. For example, one freelancer I worked with avoided a payment dispute simply by including a detailed milestone breakdown in her contract. Protecting yourself with clear communication and agreements ensures your freelancing career stays stress-free and profitable. Freelancing offers limitless potential, but it's up to you to seize the opportunity. Each day you wait is another day someone else is landing the clients you could have had. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take today brings you closer to your goals. As the saying goes, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, what's the first freelancing tip you're going to apply? Also, check out the description for useful links and exclusive recommendations. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube chose the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now, so click it and keep leveling up your freelance journey. See you there.